Ever wondered if you could set up direct deposit with an online-only bank like Ally, even if you're not a fan of doing everything digitally? Thinking face, it's a common question, especially for those of us who appreciate the convenience of online banking but sometimes prefer a more traditional approach for certain tasks. Maybe you're not super tech savvy, or perhaps you just prefer the security of a physical document. Whatever your reason, the idea of setting up direct deposit without relying solely on websites or apps can be appealing. In today's digital age, most banks, especially online-focused ones like Ally, strongly encourage and facilitate online setup for everything from opening accounts to managing your finances. And direct deposit is no exception. They make it incredibly easy to link your employer's payroll system directly through their app or website. This often involves a few clicks, entering your employer's information, and letting Ally handle the rest. It's quick, efficient, and often comes with perks like early access to your paycheck. But what if that's not your preferred method? What if you want to bypass the digital hoops and set it up the old-fashioned way? Is it even possible with a bank that operates primarily without physical branches? That's what we're here to explore today. We'll dive deep into the options available for setting up direct deposit with Ally, focusing specifically on whether an offline method is a viable path for you. The digital path, Ally's preferred method. First, let's briefly touch on Ally's primary method for setting up direct deposit, as it's the most common and often the quickest. Ally Bank, being an online-only institution, has heavily invested in making its digital platforms robust and user-friendly. When you log into your Ally Bank account, whether through their website or mobile app, you'll find a dedicated section for setting up direct deposit. This process typically involves logging in, accessing your Ally Bank account securely, navigating to the direct deposit section, usually found under Transfers and Payments or Direct Deposit in your account menu. Searching for your employer. Ally often partners with payroll providers, allowing you to search for your employer directly within their platform. Entering your payroll credentials. If your employer is listed, you might be prompted to log into your employer's payroll portal through Ally's secure connection. This lets Ally automatically fill in the necessary banking details for your direct deposit. Confirming details, reviewing your account information, the amount or percentage you want to deposit, and then confirming the setup. This automated process is incredibly convenient. It reduces the chance of errors from manual entry and can get your direct deposit set up in minutes. Plus, Ally often offers early direct deposit, meaning you could receive your paycheck up to 2 days before your official payday, which is a fantastic perk for many. But what if this digital route isn't for you? Let's explore the alternatives. The offline approach. Yes, it's possible. The good news is, yes, you can absolutely set up direct deposit with Ally Bank using an offline method. While Ally is a digital bank, they understand that not all employers or individuals prefer a purely online approach. They provide the necessary tools for you to set up direct deposit without needing to directly link your payroll through their online portal. The key to the offline method lies in a simple, yet essential document, the direct deposit form. Understanding the direct deposit form. Every bank provides a direct deposit form, and Ally is no different. This form serves as an authorization document that you provide to your employer or payment provider, instructing them to deposit funds directly into your Ally Bank account. Here's what you'll typically find on an Ally Bank direct deposit form and why it's crucial for offline setup. Your personal information. This includes your full name, address, city, state, zip code, and phone number. This identifies you as the account holder. Ally Bank account information. This is the core of the form. It requires 2 critical pieces of information. Ally Bank's routing number. For Ally Bank, this is 124003116. The routing number is a 9-digit code that identifies Ally Bank as your financial institution. Think of it like a bank's address for electronic transfers. Your specific Ally account number. This is your unique account number for your Ally checking, savings, or money market account. You can usually find this number by logging into your Ally online account or checking your account details within the mobile app. Deposit instructions. This section allows you to specify how you want your funds deposited. You can typically choose to deposit the entire amount of your paycheck, deposit a specific dollar amount, deposit a percentage of your paycheck. You might even be able to split your direct deposit across multiple Ally accounts, e.g., a portion to checking and a portion to savings, provided your employer's payroll system supports this. Authorization. This is a crucial part where you sign and date the form, authorizing your employer or payment provider to electronically credit your Ally bank accounts and, if necessary, debit your account to correct any erroneous entries. This signature makes the document legally binding. Voided check, optional but recommended while not always strictly required. Many employers prefer or ask for a voided check along with the direct deposit form. Even as an online-only bank, Ally provides an example of a voided check on their direct deposit form that you can use. This helps ensure accuracy and verifies your account information. How to get the Ally direct deposit form. Since you're aiming for an offline setup, you'll need a physical copy of this form. Here's how you can obtain it. Download from Ally's website, and print. This is the most straightforward way. Even though it involves using the internet initially, you're just downloading a PDF. Ally Bank provides a downloadable direct deposit form directly on their website, usually in their Help or Forms section. You can then print this form. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.